When it comes to reverse osmosis, it will actually remove a very, very long list of contaminants. And of course it can be arsenic, cyanide, fluorides, and most of them quite handsomely removed. They're around 95 to 98%. What happens is the water is filtered at 1/2 millionth of a millimetre. It's so fine that it's down to the molecule structure of some atoms. In other words, if water comes through, which of course everybody knows is H2O, H2O is a smaller molecule than, say, something that has a contaminant attached to it, such as an extra carbon atom, which would make a different substance. And it's filtering so fine that that particular molecule structure cannot make it through the membrane, and it simply bounces along the membrane and eventually goes out what is called the waste ratio, or down the drain, or the rejection. A lot of the systems produced in the world are for worst case scenario, and Australia tends to have quite soft water compared to the rest of the world, so there's no need to have such a high waste ratio. Traditionally it used to be around 4:1. Most of our systems, particularly the premium systems, are around 1:1. The average family may use 10 litres. Now there's a storage tank. They're available in the 4.2, the 9 and the 12. But not listed is also 38s and 75 litre tanks. But typically the default one is the 9 litres. What happens with the system, if you walk up to the system and it's full and turn itself off, you will say fill a jug at 2 litres. The unit will actually turn itself back on at typical water pressures, refill what you took in around 8 minutes and turn itself off. So it keeps itself in a constant state of top up. The three main types of reverse osmosis systems for domestic use is the countertop. Very convenient, very good for people that rent. Doesn't leave any marks or anything like that, just attaches to the thread on the end of the aerator of the kitchen tap. The second type is the laundry or wall mount models. Very economical. It's got nothing to do with the laundry, it's just a location as a convenient point to pick up the water supply. So they come with an adapter to piggyback off the cold water washing machine tap. Doesn't interfere with the operation of the washing machine at all, and little supplied inline ball valve. When you want to operate it, just turn the little inline ball valve on and away the reverse osmosis goes. And of course there's the under sinks models, and the under sink models of course the most popular of the lot, and they're the most convenient. They have a little dedicated tap up on the kitchen sink, and the water is delivered from the system directly to there. When it comes to the three different types of domestic water filter systems, you'll find that the cheapest to operate is the laundry systems. The next cheapest of course would be the countertop, and of course, but by no means expensive, is the under sink systems. On average, normal premium system would cost around $80 per year over a 4-year cycle for the replacement cartridges. The list of products on our website is extensive and at times confusing. So if you're at all in doubt about which product would best suit you, please give us a call on 1800 305 579 and we'll be happy to help you without any pressure selling.